How to use Discord. Discord is a communication platform that allows users to chat, voice, and video call, and share files with each other in various communities called servers. Here are the basic steps to use Discord. Download and install the Discord app on your device. Discord is available for download on the App Store, Google Play, or the Microsoft Store. Create an account. You can sign up for a new account on the Discord website, https://discord.com/ using your email address or by linking to your Google or Apple account. Join a server. Discord servers are communities of users that come together to chat, voice and video call, and share files. You can join a server by searching for them by name, or by clicking on an invite link. Chat with others. Once you've joined a server, you can start chatting with other users by sending text messages in the chat. Use voice and video call. Discord allows you to make voice and video calls with other users. You can create a voice or video call by clicking the phone or camera icon in the chat. Share files. Discord allows you to share files with other users by dragging and dropping them into the chat or by clicking the paperclip icon. Customize your settings. You can customize your settings to control your notification, privacy and security options. Keep your account secure by regularly changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. Discord has a user-friendly interface and it's easy to navigate through it. You can explore different servers, channels, and features and join the ones that interests